Hey everybody, and thank you so much for tuning in with me, Letitia McKinney, and welcome to Designing with Letitia McKinney. Okay friends, so I am looking for some things for home decor as well as some things to go in this wedding that we will be doing this September, and I'm so super excited that this Kirkland has just opened up on Monday. So I would love for you guys to stick around and just look at some of the beautiful things that they have in here, and this is my first time in here, so I want to know down below what catches your eye. So let's just browse the store and look around and see what we can find. Okay, friends, so now it's time to hear from you. What caught your interest in this gorgeous store? I think Kirkland's is beautiful. First time in here, and I'm giving a lot of things a first time try this year. So just let me know down below what caught your eye, and I am so grateful that you guys shop with me. Just let me know, because hey, you may see it in my home. Make sure that you do stay tuned, because I am going to do a haul with you guys on home decor, and also a haul with the wedding series that we got going on. All right, friends, appreciate each and every last one of you. Have a blessed one, and guess what? You will see me in the next one. Blessings.